Okay, so throughout the course, we will be building a WordPress website for a business called Harry's Repair Store. Now, this is a fictional business that repairs smartphones and laptops, and we'll be building them an official website. So let's put our knowledge to practice. We'll be creating a few posts to see how this exactly works. Now, I've already created the content, so I won't be typing in stuff, but mostly copy pasting. So let's get started. We click on the Add New Post button over here, and then this interface shows up. Now is when we add the title. Then let's move on to the body of the post. Here we add a few stuff like text, which I need to add. So I'll just copy paste it, and some images too. So I will be uploading them from my computer. We'll do some formatting as well, so the post looks somewhat good. And then we move on to the sidebar to select the tags and categories. Since the post is all about iPhones, I'll select the relevant tags and categories for it. So there you go. I can also select a featured image for this, which will show up on the homepage of the blog. And that'll be all. Let's preview this post. Looks good to me. Now let's publish it. And there we go. The post is published. So this blog post is all about iPhones. And for the Android fanboys, let's make another post as well. So let's head back to the All Posts interface. And once again, we click on the Add New Post button. We add the title, then the content. And as usual, we add some tags and categories like we did earlier. But this time it would be more Android focused because our post is now an Android related post. And then we add a featured image as well. And I'm not going to preview this post, but publish it directly because I kind of have an idea that it's going to be looking all right. And there we go. We published another post. And that'll be all. That's exactly how you use posts. You can create a couple of those, assign categories and tags to it, do some formatting, upload images, and all that sort of stuff that you generally do with creating a new post. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for joining in. I'll see you in the next video.